On the fourth day of my journey along Interstate 80, I left Ogallala, Nebraska and made my way west towards Rawlins, Wyoming. It was a long day of riding with a total travel time of around 6 hours, including breaks. As I rode, I was struck by the dramatic change in scenery as the flat plains of Nebraska gave way to the stunning red-colored mountains and rocky terrains of Wyoming. It was a breathtaking sight, and I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the natural beauty of this region. Interstate 80 is one of the most well-traveled highways in the United States. As I rode, it was clear to see why. The landscape changes dramatically as you travel from state to state, offering a unique and diverse range of experiences. On this fourth day of my trip, I was fortunate enough to catch a glimpse of the Medicine Bow-Routt National Forest and the Soapstone Prairie Natural Area. Two breathtakingly beautiful regions that I will always remember. In total, I traveled 316 miles on this day, and it was without a doubt one of my favorite days of the trip till now. The stunning landscape and the sense of freedom and independence that comes with traveling by motorcycle made for an unforgettable experience. In this video, come along with me as I enter the beautiful state of Wyoming on my motorcycle journey across America, from the stunning red-colored mountains and rocky terrain of the Rocky Mountains to the wide open spaces and charming small towns that dot the landscape. Wyoming is a place of endless beauty and wonder. As I ride through the stunning state, I shall take in the sights and sound of the great outdoors, from the towering peaks of the mountains to the rolling hills and grasslands of the countryside. So join me on this journey as I discover the beauty and diversity of Wyoming and experience all that is incredible state has to offer. Thank you.